Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix 007 First Light game error on PS5, and the error is something went wrong with this game or app, and the error code is CE-108255-1. So if you're getting this error in 007 First Light game on PS5 consoles, then here follow the fixes very carefully. First fix: restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PS5 and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to log out and log in. So simply log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others, sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then you can connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to a different Wi-Fi network and check, or you can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In the Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz and then check which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall socket. Now press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound, then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Now use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to restore license. So on your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select 007 First Light game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to delete game data and cache. Now please take a note, you must make sure to backup the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage, delete. Select 007 First Light and then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. In primary DNS, enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS, enter 8.8.4.4. Then hit on OK and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS, enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS, enter 1.0.0.1. Then click on OK and then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the 007 First Light game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve something went wrong with this game or app in 007 First Light game on PS5 consoles, and the error code is CE-108255-1. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.